Hello everyone. My name is Supriya Das Francis and I'm your Vedic Math trainer. In this session, we are going to learn about subtraction. So normally subtraction is very easy concept, but when it comes to borrowing, kids get confused utterly. So let's see how we can make it very easy, and there is no borrowing to be done in this method. So please be ready with your pen and pencil and come along with me. Let's see how we are going to do this. Here we are. You can see this example. This is subtraction example. How we did breaking up numbers in addition. Same way we'll be breaking up the numbers to subtract. Now we have number 975 and we need to subtract 647 from that. How we'll be doing? We'll keep the first number as it is. So 975 we have written as it is, and we are subtracting only 600 first from 975. And after subtracting 600, we get 375. From 375, we will be subtracting 10-digit number, that is 40. So we'll, after subtracting, we see that the answer is 335. Now from 335, the last one-digit number is left, and that is 7. So from 335, when we subtract 7, we get 328. Isn't it easy? Let's try with 4-digit number, and then we'll go to white screen and we'll try and find out how we can do it together. So here we have number 9,875 and we are going to subtract 8,888 from that. So as we said that, first number we are going to keep as it is. Our first number is 9875. From there, we are going to subtract the 1,000 number. 1,000 place number is 8,000. So when we subtract 8,000 from 9,875, we get 1,875. From 1,875, the second digit is 8 and hundreds place. So 800 we are going to subtract from that, and we are left with 1,075. From 1,075, we are going to subtract only 80 and we are left with 995. From 995, we are further going to subtract 8. And the answer is 987. There is no borrowing required. Now let's move to white screen and we'll solve a sum together. For further understanding, I want all the learners to sit with pen and paper so that you can practice these sums along with me and be sure that you understood the concept. Now see what we are doing. We are taking 4758, and from there we are going to subtract. What we are going to subtract is 3215. All right. Now, yes. Now what we are going to do? The first step is first number we'll keep as it is. So we have kept this as it is. Here we are going to subtract 3,000 from that. So what would be the answer? Answer is 758. We'll write as it is. 758 we have written as it is, and 4 minus 3 makes it 1. So our answer is 1,758. From 1,758 we are going to subtract 200. Now how we are going to do this? Very easy. 58 we'll write as it is. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 1 comes as it is. That is 17 minus 2 is 15. So we are left with 1,558. 1,558, from there we are going to subtract 10. So the answer is 8 as it is. 5 minus 1 makes it 4 and 15 as it is. Now 1,548. 1,548, from there we are going to subtract only 5. It's very easy. 15, 4, 3 would be the answer. 8 minus 5 is 3. This is how you can do the sum, the subtraction without borrowing. I think it's very, very easy once you understand the concept. And no matter how big the number is, subtraction becomes very, very easy. So let's go back to our main screen. And the main screen, you have seen this sum here. Now you have some sums to practice. You can easily practice these sums. You can easily practice these sum, children. Now here we see another way of solving problem. Now students face challenges when there are lots of zeros on top and they have to subtract it, and number of times they have to borrow and then solve it. Here it's made very, very easy. How it's made easy is, here we are. In this example, you can see that we are solving 6,874 is subtracted from 10,000. So what is the first step? Strike out whatever the number is given. And for each zero, we are going to write 9. So for this first zero, we'll write 9, second zero, 9, third zero, 9. But for the last zero, we write 10. This is called reverse method. Now we'll be subtracting. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 6 is 3. I hope you understood the concept. Let's move back to the white screen. So we are moving to white screen, and let's take another number and solve it together. I will clear the screen, and here you see. Now what we are going to do, we'll try two different types of sum here. Now see, 1, and we have all zeros, so we take 5 zeros, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now what we need to subtract, we need to subtract 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, how we are going to do this? So to subtract 5, 0, 8, 9, what we'll be doing? We'll be balancing it. Now it's correct position. Now see what we are going to do. I will take freehand drawing, and here we go. Now what happens, as we said, the first step is strike out this. For each zero, we are going to write 9. So here you are, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 9, and the last one will become 10. Now, from 10, we are going to subtract 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So, and this 9 comes down. That's it. Isn't it easy? Now what we'll do, if there is, instead of 1, we have suppose any other number like 6, 7, 8, 9. So I take this another number, this is 8,000, and you are going to subtract from 8,000 is 3,976. All right. Now what we are going to do? Nothing, very simple. We'll strike it off, and for 8 we'll write 7. We'll write 9 here. Again we'll write 9 here, and at the end, as I said, we'll write 10. So now 10 minus 6 makes it 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 7 minus 3 is 4. This is your answer. I hope you understood the concept, because it's very easy concept. And you will be sure about solving these sums once you start practicing it. So I only recommend that, you know, you must go and do practice. As much as you practice, the surety will come with that, your confidence will increase, and yes, this becomes cakewalk for you. So here are a few sums. Please pause the video, copy down the question, solve it, make note of the time, and see how accurately and fast you have done the sums. The purpose of learning Vedic math is accuracy and time management with solving the sums. So I'm sure with the practice, your time also will reduce and your accuracy will increase. Thank you, students. We'll meet again in next video with new learning. Till then, take care. Bye.